Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Time for another video on the Mini. This is an R55, but basically it's the same engine as a 56, 57, etc. This is the 1.6 Cooper, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter, which is housed behind here. So the tools you'll need is a ratchet or a whizzy gun, a 10mm socket, maybe an extension, and a T25 Torx, and that's it. Let's go to it. Right, first thing you need to do is to take off this bolt. It secures the air filter housing onto the cam cover. It's just a 10mm. Don't worry about losing it, it doesn't actually come out of the housing. You can see now it's loose. Next, the air filter housing lid is held on by T25 Torx. So I've got a whizzy gun here. And you literally just go around . So 1, 2, 3 at the top. There's 3 at the bottom. And 1 on this left hand side. And that's it. The lid will just lift up. Now you can see how dirty my air filter is here. So you just take it out. That's filthy. Here's my nice new one. Now I bought a, that's the part number there. Now it says an aftermarket one or a genuine one, but it literally fits in. You just have to make sure here that it sits in the recess, and then all the way around sits in the recess. Okay, now I've already cleaned this out because I've had this off before, but you may want to clean behind here, just check there's no debris, no leaves, etc. before you put the lid back on. And then literally just grab the lid and then just carefully, that's what I do, just wind a couple in by hand. If they go in by hand, then you know you've lined it all up. Okay. Now I just get my whizzy gun, start off in the middle, do 1 on the top, 2 on the bottom, over to the right, over to the left, and then just go around and make sure they're all tight. I might do that with a, they don't have to be tight, but just make sure they're nipped up. They're not going to come undone. Yep, they're all nice. And then finally, just fit this bolt back in. And that's it. That's how you change an air filter in a couple of minutes on a Mini R55 56. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Think about subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.